Hello Trophies, it's Trophy Steffi. Welcome to this face flex tutorial for those of you looking for more tips and tricks on how to flex the face while we jump instead. First and foremost, we're going to be relaxing into the eyes and forehead, and then we're going to dial in the flex in the lower part of the face. So I want you to try this. I want you to try pressing your lips against your teeth. The mouth will be parted open and the teeth will be parted open as well. I want you to try to remove any tension in the upper half of your head and instead engage through the jaw and even into the neck. So firming up these muscles, you might not notice any difference in your jaw, meaning you're not pressing forward or back. You're just firming up these muscles, keeping this all relaxed. And what I want you to do is do this with your eyes closed and hold it for 30 seconds until you begin to really feel these muscles fatigue and engage. That's the goal, is to isolate these muscles. At first, you may notice that there is tension that builds up in your scalp. This happened to me too and Sally. And over time, we learned to isolate into these muscles more so, and they got stronger. And so whatever was not strong or whatever muscles or tension we are connecting to in the head started shifting down into the jaw over time as we practice. That's the goal, is to practice and just let the feeling navigate you. If you start to feel tension in your head, take a break from your face flexing and get back to it the next day. If you're feeling fatigue in these jaw muscles, that is awesome. Once you feel that fatigue, and once you feel like these muscles are good to go for the day, then you can try it again the next day. You may notice soreness transfer over into the next day, but likely not. These muscles will recover quickly and you can get back to it. Some other exercises we can do in order to engage the face would be to sing along to a song. So the entire song, if you know the lyrics, you want to exaggerate the lyrics. You don't have to sing them out loud. You can sing them silently, and you exaggerate the lyrics and jump or bounce. This is going to help strengthen up the face, and if you can keep your eyes relaxed, you're going to start to begin to build that skill of isolating into the jaw and the neck, because really this is a jaw and neck strengthening exercise. You could also recite the ABCs. You can count 1 to 8 and then 8 down to 1. You can do vowels like A, E, I, O, U, or kissing. Kissing is excellent because what we're doing is stretching. And when we stretch muscles, we help the tissues expand and open and circulate and help with building the tissue. So know that stretching is a huge component when it comes to strengthening any muscle in the body. Sally and I had 50 pounds of weight on our bodies when we started our jumping journey, and our faces have tightened and toned up all the way. Some people genetically have more wrinkles on their faces, and this is not the magic cure for just removing and eliminating all wrinkles, but it will tighten up the face. It will bring it from where it's at now, and it will tighten it up more, especially with consistency, with long-term bouncing. At least a few months, if not a few years, you can really expect a face transformation. And even in the first few weeks, if you really started to dial in the daily face flexing and you are engaging these muscles properly, you're feeling the fatigue, and then you're letting them recover and getting back to it daily, that's going to be a very fast transformation. And that's what happened with Sally and I. We both started practicing daily face flexing, and within 3 months, our faces and our upper bodies completely changed. Our core and our legs were changing too, but it was really our faces and our arms that were the most impressive shift in our jumping journey when we got consistent. And when we were consistent, I just want you to know, we were only jumping 15 minutes a day, because that spells consistency. 15 minutes a day literally screams consistency. I'll say this right now. In our membership, we're offering a new formula where Sally and I, we're twins. We're both instructors on this channel. Sally and I provide 3 classes each. The classes are designed to rotate between Sally and Stephanie throughout the week. Say Sally on Monday, Stephanie on Tuesday, Sally on Wednesday, Stephanie on Thursday. So you just rotate back and forth. And since each of us provide 3 12-minute classes, classes. You can do one 12-minute class a day, you can do two 12-minute classes a day, and you can do three 12-minute classes a day. But what's great about these classes is that class 1 is designed for waking up the body and creating flexibility in the body. Class 2 is designed for increasing strength and VO2 max in the body, for engaging in that high intensity cardio zone for just a couple minutes. And this class being only 12 minutes means you're 100% likely to get to it in that day and be consistent with it every single day. And then there is a third class that we provide, and that is a restoration, balance, and mobility routine. So you have a wake up routine, you have a strength and high intensity cardio VO2 max routine, and then you have a healing, restoration, and recovery routine, all 12 minutes each. The most sustainable program we have ever launched on YouTube. It's in our membership here on YouTube for only $14.99 a month. And when you pay that $15 and you get the entire month to connect with us, to join our latest classes, you also get our vault of hundreds and hundreds of membership routines from the past that are all fantastic and sensational. And there's a variety of 20-minute, 30-minute, 40-minute, 50-minute, you name it, it's in there. And there's hundreds of membership routines that you have access to. And you'll have access to the latest 12x3 classes that are going to get you more consistent on your rebounding journey than ever before. And we are incorporating face flexing throughout most of the classes. We hope to see you in the membership. We hope to get you on a rebounder soon. For our rebounder recommendations, go to IJUMPINSTEAD.com. We've been jumping for 10 years and we have completely transformed our bodies. We know exactly what we're doing on a rebounder. We always have a handlebar. We don't jump and fly high off the rebounder. We nose breathe, we play it safe, and we have the best results. And you're gonna wanna jump instead with us because muscle and flexibility and healing and strengthening is our number one goal for you, and longevity and health. Our Facebook group has the most kindest, warmest community waiting there for you. If you wanna join us and you have any questions along your journey, join our private Facebook group. And if you're in our private Facebook group, we would love to hear your feedback. We would love for you to connect with the community, share your story, share your wins, share your questions, and this will help us all to build up our love for jumping, our love for movement, and our love for engaging in a healthy and long life. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any more tips and tricks for flexing the face in the comments section, please feel free to leave those there. We hope to see you in the membership soon. One last tip if you join the membership, do it on a desktop or a laptop. $14.99 is the price. Can't wait to see you. Brand new classes drop on Sundays at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Have a great rest of your day. See you in class soon. Bye-bye.